Friends, in this video we are going to review amazing Bluetooth speaker which is super cheap and very light in weight and best for traveling, and you can carry in your pocket as well as you can carry in your bag during your traveling. So the price of this speaker on the Amazon India, which is around 700. Maybe you can get cheaper at the local stores, and they are also charging around 130 rupees for delivery. So you can buy it from Amazon. I will give the link in the description, and let's check out the configuration. The model number is X3 tag X3 Bluetooth speaker. So this is 3-watt speaker, and you can require 5 volt to charge it, or you can plug it the 5 volt power to keep running this thing if you have solar panel to use this. And one more thing that so the battery charging time is 2 hours in this. So this is the ISO certified. So this is the box. So you will get the speaker as well as this cable. So actually most of the Bluetooth speaker don't have this audio jack over here, which is required so many times. So you also get this USB charger pin as well as USB connection, 3.0 connection. So you can actually recharge this thing with your power bank. So let's check out. So over here you can see you can directly plug your pen drive or your memory card, and you can also connect with this USB pin over here. So let's check out the battery before we start. Battery is little bit, so you can see this is the actually battery of this mobile phones like Nokia. So it's very simple, nothing very. You can also purchase this battery from local store. Okay, so we'll put it again and close this down. So over here you can see different buttons to change the volume and change the song. You can also pick up the calls from here, and you can see the build quality of this speaker is very high, and the outside material is very nice, so it will stick on your phone or any kind of surface. So after this we just start it and pair with our phone and check out the sound quality and what is the minimum and maximum sound we get from this.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so already said we are ready to pair. So let's try to pair. Okay.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So you can see blue light over here. So when you start this device, start your speaker, you will get this indicator over here. Now we are going to play some free music from the YouTube. So we can upload this on YouTube again. I'm going to increase volume from phone. change the song.
Look, I just got the letter on Friday and I didn't know how to tell you.
I'm really happy for you. Okay? Okay. Let's go have some fun.
You can increase the volume, decrease the volume actually. Now we can increase. So this is maximum. We change the song. So using this you can also pick up the call. Let's try it out.
Nine, 1, 9, 4, 2, 7.
So you can see here, you can get the call on the person who is calling from the phone. So you can pick up that call and reply if you are interested in a group call or in a meeting. You want to talk with your boss, means your team want to talk with your boss using a single Bluetooth device like this. You can do it. So it's very useful for office purpose. So I guess this is actually cheapest. I also searched for the Philips and other products, but most of the Bluetooth speakers are around actually around more than 1500 to 2000. Some are 4000, 5000 rupees, but this will cost you approximately 700 rupees. So you can enjoy a very super cheap Bluetooth speaker, use it for some time, and when technology change you can update with something else. But right now you don't need to spend too much on the Bluetooth speaker. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and you can also buy from the link given in this video description. Okay, so goodbye, thank you.